Welcome back to another captivating episode of Animal Mission, where we shed light on magnificent creatures that grace our planet. Today we embark on a remarkable journey exploring lives of three iconic species: the elusive snow leopards, enchanting birds, and majestic whales. So let's dive right into it. Our adventure begins in snow-covered peaks of Himalayas, where elusive snow leopards reign supreme. With their thick fur and remarkable agility, these cats have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these elusive felines. The snow leopard's camouflage and stealth make them master hunters capable of leaping across treacherous terrain. Despite their solitary nature, they play a crucial role in maintaining delicate balance of mountain ecosystem. Let's witness their incredible grace and learn about the conservation efforts to protect them. From the snow-capped mountains, we soar through sky to explore world of birds, nature's avian marvels. Birds have adapted to diverse habitats, showcasing an extraordinary range of colors, behaviors, and aerial acrobatics. Let's take flight alongside these magnificent creatures. We'll witness the courtship rituals of birds like magnificent frigate bird, whose spectacular displays attract mates, and the resplendent hummingbird with its mesmerizing wings that beat up to 80 times per second. Get ready to be amazed by incredible diversity and ingenuity of our feathered friends. Now we plunge into depth of ocean to encounter some of the most largest majestic creature on earth, the whales. These gentle giants play a vital role in marine ecosystems, capturing our imagination and reminding us of vastness and beauty of oceans. Let's witness their grace and power. From the colossal blue whale, the largest animal ever to have existed, to the acrobatic humpback whales, known for their inspiring breaches, we'll discover the unique characteristics and behaviors that make whales a symbol of marine magnificence. However, they also face numerous challenges, including habitat loss and noise pollution. Snow leopards, birds, and whales. Each of these creatures has its own story to tell and a role to play in the planet's tapestry of life. Their beauty reminds us of importance of conservation and our responsibility to protect the natural world. That concludes our captivating journey through lives of snow leopards, birds, and whales. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up.